Hi students, welcome to UOW's ACCA Financial Management online course. I am your expert tutor, Miss Sita, and I'm here to guide you on how to use the FM online course and what are the benefits that you will get when you enroll with us. A little introduction about myself. I am BPP trained and qualified tutor with more than a decade of teaching this financial management paper. For further updates about me, you are more than welcome to read through my biodata. We offer two types of courses, the first being the online full course, OFC, and the second type, which is the online revision course, ORC. Let's look at the differences between these two. The first course, which is the OFC, contains comprehensive videos covering the full syllabus of the paper, and it also includes a revision course. Now, this program or course also includes 2 progress tests and 2 mock exams. Now, all scripts submitted to me will be marked and written to you with constructive feedback. Upon receiving your marked script, please do go through your scripts and look at the areas for improvement. Now, for the online revision course, ORC, you will also have access to comprehensive revision videos, which are specifically designed to prepare candidates for the final examination. I will also be sharing key tips and strategies on how to tackle these questions. Now, in the ORC, we will also include 2 mock exams, and all scripts will be marked and written to the candidate with constructive feedback. Now, what benefits would you get if you were to enroll in the online learning course? Firstly, you will have unlimited access to all the pre-recorded classes as well as the questions which are discussed during your pre-recorded classes, and also revision videos until your exam date. Now, you will also be able to attempt the progress tests and the mock exams as well, and you will get constructive feedback. Learning materials, both soft and hard copies, will be uploaded onto the Open Learning platform, and the hard copy will be couriered upon receiving your Google response. Later, I will show you how to navigate the Open Learning platform so that you can access the link and fill up the Google form. And most importantly is you will also get lecturer support. Now, you can have my support via enrolling into the group WhatsApp, or you may also ask any questions on the online platform. Now, it is very important that you reach out to me. So you can reach out to me on my email, or you can reach out to me via WhatsApp. Be assured I will attend to your needs immediately. Now let's look on how to view and navigate your online course. Now for this, I will have to do a hands-on demonstration. So let's go to the Open Learning platform. Once you have already enrolled on the online course, you will be brought to this platform, which is called the Open Learning platform. And please ensure that you are enrolled in the correct course, which is the Financial Management module. Now, on the left-hand side, you will look at all the tabs here. On the home page, you will have an announcement, and you will look at this header here, which says Study Material and WhatsApp Group. So please remember to fill up the Google form here, put in all the details that is necessary, and our PAC support will reach out to you. Now, in the lecture notes tab, you will also observe that I have uploaded the technical articles for both terms, term 1 and term 2. Now, it is very, very important that you do go through the technical articles, as these have been written by the examining team. Now, when you click on to the Learning Activities tab, for each topic I'm going to be covering, I will give an opening introduction about the topic, what are the learning objectives and outcomes that pertains to the topic, and how your examiner will examine this in the final exam. Upon completing the topics, I will also do some past year questions. I hope you are intrigued and interested to enroll in the open learning platform now that you have seen how easy is it to navigate on the platform. Now let's see what are the benefits that you can get when you enroll in my course. Okay, the first thing is, for starters, I will go through the entire content. So you will have deep understanding of the subject content, and you will also know how to tackle the paper. Secondly, extensive question practice with past year questions. Thirdly, with the constructive feedback that is provided in your mock exam and your assessment, you will know which areas of the syllabus that you can further improve. And lastly, to inculcate effective study habits. How do you register? Okay, now you can either register on the link that is provided, or you can scan the QR code that is also provided here on screen. For further inquiry, please reach out to PAC support, or you can also WhatsApp to the number that is displayed there. Alternatively, you can also call on the landline as the number displayed here. Now, thank you very much for watching my video, and I hope to see you soon enrolled in my course. Take care.